Hi everyone. Today I am from Simachar AMC Defense Academy is again with my brand new video that is plan for our AMC entrance exam to crack it and what are those plans. In this video basically we are going to discuss about the plans to crack English entrance examination of our AMC because English is something that decides the selection of a particular candidate. What are the adequate things that you are required to do, especially in English? How to attempt the paper, how to make time management. There are many other things that we are going to discuss, and the remaining things which would not be completed in this video, I'll be covering those in my next videos. And these type of videos I'll be making for GK as well as for mathematics. So, RAMC, Rashtriya Indian Military College, and it is the unique institution of India. As it is unique, so it's obvious to have some kind of specialty. And what's that specialty? The answer is very simple. It's uniqueness. And it is the college that is located in the feet-touching heart of Himalayas, that is Dehradun, by racing through the hills and mountains in Doon Valley. Coming to the point back, it is the best platform for the youngsters aged between 11 and a half years to 13 years. It was founded by Prince of Wales in 1922. It is the most prestigious institution that hires and promotes merit alone. And this is the best type of work environment a particular cadet could hope to find. Moreover, a student gets immense opportunities overnight. So this makes a child more disciplined and organized. Hardly there will be a game that is not played in RIMC. Time management is the first and foremost thing that is taught in RAMC. In addition to this, you are told to respect your seniors. The matter of pride for the students in RAMC is that it is the only institution in India where students wear the dress of army before being commissioned. The students of army often called the students of RAMC, sorry, it's not army, it's RAMC, are often called as Rimcolians and are trained to be better army officers. However, RLMC has given a couple of army officers who have proved to be better leading officers of ever. And RIMC is the first military college in India, and it is category A training institute where only a few young brainiacs who prove their mettle by being the best in their respective state are selected, and at the age of hallowed portals of college as RIMCOs and undergo holistic training of the first water for 5 years and eventually get metamorphosed into Rimcolians. The ultra of excellence in every field, particularly the Indian Armed Forces. So here we are done with the basic information about RIMC, which every student or every RIMC aspirant gets motivated when he listen to these statements, the particular and the unique statements about RIMC. Now the question arises in our mind that how is admission made to RIMC? The admission in RIMC is made as per the entrance examination. Uh, I hope this is very clear to you. So now let us move. Now let us move forward uh, to our main topic, and I hope that you will be enjoying this video. So let us start. So this is planned for our AIMS entrance examination of English entrance examination. And how will be cracking English entrance examination? Basically, students find it difficult to complete the 125 marks paper in 2 hours because it's a very lengthier paper and you are getting a very short time for completing it. So the entrance test paper will consist of three subjects like English of 125 marks, mathematics of 200 marks, and general knowledge of 75 marks. For English paper, 2 hours of time will be given. For maths paper, 1.5 hour time will be given. For GK, you will be given 1 hour, and the medium of the test will be in English, and in the regional will be in English, not in regional language. The candidate must score at least 50 marks to pass the exam. So English written paper of 125 marks, we are done with the scores, and you have to give 50 marks interview. The cadets or the students who qualify in the entrance examination are only asked to give the interview of 50 marks, and then the final merit list is produced, and the cadets or the students are selected. So how to deal with the paper of English? See, there are many things you need to remember in English language. It's a very vast language. You need to go through it, and a couple of things include in it like idioms, phrases, phrasal verbs, antonyms, synonyms, tenses, parts of speech, spellings, one word. Many vocabulary is there. A vast portion of vocabulary as well as the grammar is included in the part C portion of the entrance examination of our IMC. Now we'll be discussing about the marks. So plan for attempting English paper in an innovative and easy way. This is the only way to crack English paper, that you need to attempt the paper in a very innovative and an easy way, and you need to make the teacher impressed by your writing skills, by your way of attempting the paper, and it's very clear that you need to also score a very respective or a fine bold score in grammar portion also, in order to get in the final merit list. And basically in English entrance examination of our IMC, this comprises of three parts, and those are part A, part B, and part C, that are named as part A is of reading, part B is of writing, and part C is of grammar. So now you will be thinking that which portion should you attempt very first. The first priority should be of which portion, and how you'll be managing time, in what period of time should you do the particular sections, part A, part B, and part C. Don't worry, we are going to discuss about these only in today's video. So part C, part B, and part A, as the order itself suggests that you need to attempt part C first, part B then, and at last you need to attempt part A. As per my convenience, this would be the very best way to attempt the English paper. So firstly you need to attempt the grammar portion, that is part C, and you need to give the portion maximum about 30 minutes only, not more than that. 30 minutes you need to give to grammar portion. Okay, and as you are given with options in most of the questions, so this is the only reason why you need to finish the grammar portion in just 30 minutes. Now the next portion, that is part B. So 30 minutes you have already used in doing part C, that is of grammar, so you are left with 1.5 hour. So you will be giving 1 hour to writing, and a rest of the 30 minutes to your reading section, or rest of the 20 minutes to your reading section. So after attempting part C, now you must move forward towards part B, that is writing. And this generally consists of 5 questions comprising of 50 to 55 marks. You must make key points before writing the stuff as per the topics given to you. Means you are given with the topic global warming, so you need to make the points that it causes many problems, health issues, and the worst victims of it are small age children, old age people, even a rank and file can suffer severe consequences due to this global warming. That is a burning question in today's modern era. So like this, you need to make the key points in order to make your writing more innovative. So before writing the stuff as per the topics given to you, you need to make the key points, and you must keep in your mind that you are done with the writing portion within 1 hour. So you need not to take much time in writing. You only need to give 1 hour to writing portion. 30 minutes I have already told you to give to part C, that is of grammar portion, because in grammar you need not to think very much because you are given with options in most of the questions. But sometimes there are no options, like in verbs or in one word you are not given options sometimes in English paper. But that's not an issue because 90% questions are given to you with options. So you need to finish that in 30 minutes. 30 minutes is a very enough time to finish those questions. And now let us move to the last part A. So now part A, you are left with 30 minutes to get your paper over. So you need to utilize this 30 minutes very peacefully and very seriously and very means intelligible way. Okay, so you are left with 30 minutes, and you are in part A, you are generally given with two questions, that are one comprehension is of one, there is a comprehension and in a passage form, and second there is a poem. Okay, there are poem, and after reading both of them, you need to answer the questions given in the question paper respectively. So I will suggest that you read these two questions thoroughly, and go through these two questions in a very means hurried way. And but you, as well as you need to understand what the sense of the words, a couple of words conveys to you. So you need to give 10 minutes to each these two questions, which amounts to 20 minutes, and you are now left with 10 minutes. And these 10 minutes you can utilize for your revision. If you have make any mistakes, you can revise, and then you can correct those if it would be possible. And you can also take 10 means 25 minutes and 5 minutes for revision, 25 minutes for part A and 5 minutes for revision. It would be also very correct if you are left with your paper. So I hope this would be very clear to you, and you found this video very useful, and this was a very comprehensible way that I told you to attempt your paper. Now you thank you for watching to my video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel, that is Sivachar AMC Defense Academy. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.